In a world of endless choices, complexity reigns and flavor is lost in the chaos. But the true magic of Greek cuisine lies not in abundance, but in purity. And that's where one dish stands tall for me: simple, pure, and unforgettable. A ripe tomato, a fresh sprig of basil, a ball of mozzarella. Each of these ingredients in the simplest form tell a story of the earth, the seasons, and the hands that nurtured them. It's the art of simplicity. Welcome to Mile Zero Kitchen. This is Pizza Margherita.